Next question.
ACB. Is that you, yeah?
What's going on, people? DJ CB here, and I'm back with another question. How did you learn how to scratch? Fam, let me tell you now. Actually, first of all, I'm not a pro scratcher. There's some bad boy scratchers out there, yeah, doing all this madness, yeah. I ain't that guy. I'm just the guy that does the cool little scratches before he drops it on the one. And also does a few 1 minute routines. I'm no pro at it. The way I learned was from DJ Angelo. DJ Angelo has a tutorial series on YouTube. It is sick. He teaches you from the absolute basics, from telling you what scratching is, to then telling you the first scratch, which is like the baby scratch, the transformer scratch, all them different types of scratches. He goes through it in so much detail. By the end of the lessons, you'll learn the fundamentals of scratching, but what you'll need to do next is practice, practice, practice. You want to be practicing your scratching until your arm is about to fall off, man. You want to be on this crossfader, yeah? All this shit, man, constantly until you get it right. I will leave the link to the scratch tutorials in the description below so you can go check them out. But yeah, that's it. If you have any more questions you want me to answer, make sure you hit me in the comments. But for now, I'm DJ CB and we're out.